In God we trust, in the land of the brave, where the golden stalks of harvest sway over canyons deep and the mountain crests. We hold the fire within our chest. In God we trust, in the land of the brave. Hey, hey. The morning breaks on a jagged edge, a million souls on a limestone ledge, tracing the lines of a map unrolled, writing a story yet to be told. The dust of the valley, the salt of the sea, the iron pulse of the legacy. We are the architects of the dawn, building the kingdom to carry on. And God we trust, in the land of the brave, where the golden stalks of harvest sway over canyons deep and the mountain crest. We hold the fire within our chest. In God we trust, in the land of the brave. Hey, hey. Young I stare at the distant blue, fearless spirit starting anew. The hammer strikes and the wires hum, marching to the beat of a steady drum. No shadow stays where the light is cast, severing chains of a weary past. Hand in hand through the storm and gale, a ship of hope with a sturdy sail. In God we trust, in the land of the brave, where the golden stalks of harvest sway over canyons deep and the mountain crests. We hold the fire within our chest. In God we trust, in the land of the brave. Hey, hey. In the land of the brave. In the land of the brave. In the land of the brave. In the land of the brave.